Do you want to know how to make smoky barbecue ribs without a barbecue? Bubba D's here, and I'm going to show you how. What you're going to need for this recipe is paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, some freshly ground coffee, some brown sugar. Put it in a bowl and mix it up. Get your ribs out, remove the membrane, and put your dry rub on top. Give it a good rub on both sides until it's fully coated like this. Go ahead and get your Instapot out or any type of pressure cooker. And if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can just put it for an extended period of time in the oven. Go ahead and put 1 cup of your favorite beverage. I'm using Coke, but you can go ahead and use water as well. Seal it, put the lid on top, set it for 30 minutes on high pressure, and when it's done, take it out, put it on a tray, and put it in the oven for another 45 minutes at 400 degrees. And at the last 10 minutes, go ahead and add your favorite barbecue sauce. Look at it. And when it's done, make sure you let it rest before you cut it. This is absolutely something that you have to try. It has a nice hint of coffee with a smoky flavor without the barbecue. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time for the next recipe. Take care.